without further ado, QMS has come out with something that I'm very into, lip line corrector. This has triple action to get this whole area, to plump it up, to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. QMS is an amazing brand. I'm obsessed with them. I've had facials with them. They're so great. I'm very excited about this product and I know you're gonna love it. So these Glass Glow Faces by Kevin Aquan are probably my new favorite product of the year. They come in a couple different colors. This one is the Solar Quartz, but they're glassy. So they have this really nice dewy effect and then a little sheen. So they just leave you looking super healthy and super hydrated, which is all we want, especially right now. I just feel so dry, but look how pretty. I use the bronze like every day. So you're getting one of these too. And these are amazing. And you're gonna be so obsessed. Such a fun, awesome product. God, this bag is so good already.
You guys have heard me talk about Juda many times. And I'm here with Elena Oker, the creator of Juda.
Juda is miracle
In
Russian.
Russian. Yep. Let's set the record straight. Sorry, guys, have the Invisalign in? You're not just a doctor, you're a neurosurgeon. When you decided to make this, what was your impetus?
I have many years experience in medicine, generally speaking, including care of the traumatized, infected, and burned skin. We should treat the skin like we treat our heart or our brain. I wanted to bring something which is extremely beneficial. It has an amazing vitamins, minerals, amino acids, special oils, but it has also amazing formula of the compound which heals, restores, prevents.
So you said heals, restores, prevents, and I think that's the most important part of this product. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't gotten into the Juda revolution, it's time.
I am very excited because we have, backed by popular demand, Tower 28's SOS Spray. It's great if you have eczema, which I have a lot of, so let me just throw it on that eczema. It's great if you come in after the sun, if you're flushed, it cools you down. I love it. I use it every day. It's one of my favorite products. You're gonna go through this so fast like water. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night, you can use it during the day, and you're gonna love it. And we love Tower 28, and we love Amy Lou, the founder, and we just love you. And can't get enough. You know I love a liquid line, and I love nothing more than a brush tip liquid line. Now, this is from M Cosmetics. Just obsessed. Have been a big fan of Michelle Phan for a really long time, but I thought it would be nice because a lot of us have trouble with the cat eye to do a cat eye with brown. So this is a brown liquid liner. It's not as graphic, but it's still gorgeous. Draw your line, close it. Voila. Voila. It's called the Illustrative Eyeliner Brush Tip. Sometimes you don't need to do the black, do the brown. You know what I'm saying? Okay, also Buxom has these amazing primer infused blush. And so it's blush and primer in one. And it also comes with, and you can use a brush. I'm gonna use my fingers because I have a wet cheek. So I feel like when you mix a powder with a wetness, it turns into like a cream. This color is Seychelles, and it's really like nude and beautiful and pretty. These are amazing. I love these. I love the packaging. I love it all, honey. So cute. I love it. Buxom, you're the best. Been a big fan for a very long time. So happy to have you in the bag. Thank you. Honestly, who doesn't want a plumpier lip, okay? So I go and I grab my Buxom gloss. This is Christina. Everybody knows a Christina, right? I have been a fan of Buxom glosses for 100 years. These have a little kick to them, a little sting, a little tingle, because it's going to plump your lips. So it's full-on gloss with a plumper. Shimmering pout, plumping shine, refreshing, tingling. It's like a mint for your lips. And they look gorgeous, they smell great, they feel great, and I'm obsessed with them. Obsessed with this brand. It's called Pixie. And they make so many amazing things. Makeup, skincare, affordable. Their skincare is amazing and their tonic is what they're known for. And they now have this vitamin C tonic, which I'm obsessed with. It's a brightening toner and you put it on after you wash your face. And it's known to just give you such luminosity. And who doesn't want that? So, honey, get to it. Do the two-step to the Pixie, honey. Love it. Love Pixie. Thank you. Skin treats. Skin treats. I mean, how lucky. This bag was bomb. How great was this bag? I loved it so much. I hope you loved it as much as I loved it and I could bring you some light during this dark time. I know that we're all struggling. I know we're all trying to do our best. I know we're being careful, but stay safe, continue the good work, and we're gonna get out of this and we're gonna be better humans and we're gonna be a better race after this. Be grateful, be present. Thanks for just communicating with me and following me. You guys lighten my day just like you say I lighten yours. So it's a good partnership. Have a great day and we will see you soon.